You have to try this Indonesian style chicken meatball with peanut sauce. Chop some green onion, put it in a large bowl. Grate 1 medium-sized courgette, squeeze out the juice, put it in the big bowl. Set this aside. 200 grams of chicken, half a tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 chicken bouillon, and 3 garlic. Put in 200 grams more of chicken, 2 ice cubes, and 1 egg white. Put the chicken to the large bowl, 200 grams of tapioca flour, 50 grams all-purpose flour. Mix them together. To shape the dough, grab 2 spoons, take 1 spoonful of the dough, and you're going to transfer the dough between 2 spoons. Grease the plate with oil. While waiting for the chicken, let's make the sauce. Half an onion, 6 garlic, 2 chilies. Add in a little bit of water, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and season with salt. Once the color is darker like this, you can turn it off.